We have a weird psychology when buying property. We always like things slightly outside our budget, and then we start searching for something very similar within our budget, and that's where all the confusion begins. Because in real estate, almost similar is very hard to find. Every project has a different offering, they all sell different lifestyles. But not every project is the right fit for every buyer. Just like how every property needs a document checklist, your search needs one too. Without it, you don't shortlist, you just confuse yourself.